Dun, 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 dun. Zach takes Ripley for a little walk. Okay, don't get fancy there.
She's really gripping on.
Yeah, let's see the front.
Look.
Can I make this good close-ups?
Yeah, the up and down arrow.
There we go. Let me do her front paw. Her paw's on her head. She seems to be enjoying it.
I know. Let's see if she gets off. I think she likes it.
I think she does too.
Alright, let me see. Click the dry button.